More than 3,000 job hunters pre-registered for the Co-op City Job Fair, but 5,000 showed up, and only 800 were allowed to enter the auditorium at a time. Many began lining up at 8 a.m. for an 11 a.m. job fair in hopes of being selected for one of the 1,800 jobs created as a result of the opening of the Bay Plaza Mall.
I've been online for around 20 minutes so far. I have my appointment at 2 o'clock, but I don't think that's going to happen today.
Hi, this is Velma. You've just seen highlights from the Co-op City Job Fair, and I rolled in my first selfie video of what else goes on in Co-op.
Co-op City, 2014. Just hanging out. About to enjoy the fireworks. Oh, and we see the building too. I love Co-op City. Oh, that's good. That's good. Wish you were here.